Hello everyone, good morning all of you. Happy New Year. We start from today a series of discourse on the importance of Bhagavad Gita to make your excellent, prosperous and glorify. So we request DD sir for every day to discourse on one sloka of Bhagavad Gita. It is a mission for 700 days because Bhagavad Gita has a total of 700 sloka. I am Anjali Jariwal, Managing Director, Team 360. I really feel delighted to announce the 700 days mission for the transformation of your life to be highly successful. So, I would like to invite DD sir.
Hello everybody, I am DD Sharma, CEO and Chairman Team 360. Let us have a discourse, beautiful, effective and a purposeful discourse, okay? What is that? The importance of teachings of Bhagavad Gita in our life. How we make ourselves empowered. This discourse is only for you, for making you excellent, making you significant, making you prosperous, and making you glorified. Okay? First of all, I would like to extend my thanks to Anjali ma'am for inviting me for such beautiful and effective discourse. Okay? Let us start this discourse from first sloka of first chapter and we will last up to the 700th sloka. Means in 700 days we will complete the whole Bhagavad Gita and the teachings of Bhagavad Gita for you. How it is important? You know, we people sometimes lose our awareness. Sometimes we become fearful. Sometimes we become coward. So we cannot ask for our benefits to others. Asking capacity, demanding capacity, we lose. In such type, what will happen? Cowardice. So, what is needed? Needed only this thing that we should have either listen Bhagavad Gita or read Bhagavad Gita and then meditate on the slokas of Bhagavad Gita so you can be fearless. Okay? You can do significantly work. You would be warrior. You would be brave. You would be encouraged and you would be enthusiastic and you would be winner at all. Ultimate winner you will be. So, let us start discourse for 700 slokas. I start today first sloka. What is that first slok? Dharma kshetra, kurukshetra, samveta, yuyutsave, mamaka, pandavaschaive, kim kurvanti, sanjay. In the battlefield of Mahabharata, okay? That was not an ordinary situation like in our life. We are sometimes puzzled, perplexed. There is no smooth part in our life. In the similar way, Mahabharata was a battlefield. There was not easy problems, a big problem. What were the big problems? Hurting of egos of brothers, cousin brothers, okay. So there is a big problem. Very crucial problem was there. What is that? This one slok that just I uttered you, I again uttered. So you can listen it. Dharma Kshetra means pilgrimage, sacred place of Kurukshetra. Okay, that was the battlefield and armies from both the sides. What are those sides? Kauravas and Pandavas. Okay, Dhritarashtra was the king at that time. Dhritarashtra only spoke one sloka. This first sloka is spoken by Dhritarashtra. Otherwise, Dhritarashtra remained silent. Okay? Only one sloka he uttered with his mouth. Okay? And he told what? The differentiation between the sons and generation of Pandus and the generations and sons, grandsons of himself. Okay? Pandavas means the sons of Pandu and Mamka means mine. Okay, so there is a fight between mine and the sons of Panduputra. Okay, this is a big crucial problem. Okay, in our life also we find what is that there are sometimes a wife is speaking something other, children are speaking something other, we are telling something other, so there is a collision, there is a quarrel between us. How we handle this quarrel, how we handle different types of opinions. Okay, so Bhagavad Gita starts from this slok that there is a differences of opinions. One is not giving even inch of land to Pandavas. Duryodhan told this thing. They were also having certain differences, I know, because the principles of succession for emperors was not clear. Because who was the successor? Successor was the Dhritarashtra. Okay, but who sat on the throne? Pandu. Because Dhritarashtra was blind since birth. Okay, so the people around them told that this is not a fit for to be a king. So Pandu, younger brother of Dhritarashtra, became the emperor, king of the Hastinapur. Okay, now the condition turned that Pandu got demised. Okay, then again there is a problem, who will be the successor? Then the people around the throne, they chose the blind person and they enthroned the blind person, Dhritarashtra. Okay, so the Dhritarashtra was now became the successor. Okay, so there is a clash, who is the real successor, Dhritarashtra or Pandu? So Pandav were real successor or Kauravas were real successor? There is a confusion. So to confusion, sansayatma vinashyati. There is confusion, there is always diminishing trend. Okay, so this sloka says that there are different types of opinions. There was not the clarity. So Mahabharata was fought. Okay, so in your life there is always Mahabharata. If you don't have clarity in you and if you don't have a clear cut guideline for you. Okay, so we now tell something about in Hindi that हम जो है आज से भगवत गीता के डिस्कोर्स को आरंभ कर रहे हैं, पहले श्लोक से लेकर के जो 18वें अध्याय का अंतिम श्लोक जो है वहाँ तक 700 दिन में इस यात्रा को पूरी करेंगे, एक मिशन के रूप में इसे लेंगे। अभी अपन आरंभ करते हैं, क्योंकि हर भारतीय व्यक्ति योद्धा बने। लोगों से अपने पैसे मांगने में लोगों को झिझक हो जाती है, देने में झिझक, लेने में झिझक, यानी कायरता छा जाती है, बहादुरी की कमी आ जाती है, झिझक आ जाती है। इस कारण से अपन जो है अपने लक्ष्यों को प्राप्त नहीं कर पाते। ओके, कभी लक्ष्य क्लियर नहीं होते, इसलिए कन्फ्यूजन हो जाता है। तो इसलिए भगवत गीता की जो शिक्षा है वो ये कहती है कि हमें क्लियर रहना चाहिए, कन्फ्यूजन से दूर रहना चाहिए। और इसलिए प्रथम अध्याय का प्रथम श्लोक जो है उसमें धृतराष्ट्र ने कहा है, धृतराष्ट्र ने पूरी गीता में एक ही श्लोक बोला है, और वो श्लोक क्या है? धर्म क्षेत्रे कुरुक्षेत्रे समवेता युयुत्सवे मामका पांडवाश्चैवे किम कुर्वन्ति संजय। कि ये जो पवित्र स्थान है कुरुक्षेत्र का, धर्म क्षेत्र है, इसके अंदर जो है दोनों सेनाएं आपस में लड़ने को तैयार खड़ी हुई है। और एक व्यक्ति जो सेक्रेटरी था, निजी सचिव था धृतराष्ट्र का, राजा का, उसको वेदव्यास जी की ओर से शक्ति मिली हुई थी कि वो एक जगह बैठ करके दूसरी जगह का हालात देख सकता था। तो उसने जो है, धृतराष्ट्र अंधे थे, जन्मांध थे, उनको जो है युद्ध के हालात को बता रहा था। तब धृतराष्ट्र ने कहा कि युद्ध कैसे कैसे लोग हैं, युद्ध में क्या हो रहा है, मेरे पुत्र, माम का मीन्स मेरे पुत्र पौत्र जो हैं वो, और पांडु के जो पुत्र पौत्र हैं उन दोनों के बीच में क्या कुछ घटा मुझे बतलाइए। ओके, इसका मतलब ये है कि उसने अपने बेटों को पोतों को अलग मान लिया, पांडु के बेटों पोतों को अलग मान लिया, और एक क्लैरिटी नहीं रही, दोनों में सामंजस्य नहीं रहा, इसलिए ये युद्ध का कारण बना। ओके, आज से अपन एक ये सीरीज शुरू कर रहे हैं जिसमें अपन इस पहले श्लोक से लेकर के आखिर तक के श्लोक से करेंगे, ताकि आप लोग इस भगवत गीता की इस श्रृंखला को सुनकर के क्या हो सके, आप सिग्निफिकेंटली सफलता प्राप्त कर सकें, आप में विरोचित भावना पैदा हो सके, आप जो है जोशीले बन सकें, आप परिपक्व निर्णय ले सकें। ये सब उपलब्धियां आपको इस भगवत गीता से होगी, और मैं चाहता हूं कि ये भगवत गीता को आप जो है ध्यानपूर्वक सुनेंगे और इसको जो है अंतःकरण में बैठाएंगे। धन्यवाद।